Salted sliced pork collar sukiyaki with mushroom. Hi guys, samahan niyo po ako. Magluto tayo ng ulam today. Mag-isa po tayo dito ng bawang at sibuyas at yung ating sukiyaki pork. Ayan. Collar sukiyaki pork. And then, stir fry lang po natin ito. Ayan, igisa. Ayan, sauteed, ganon, char. At make sure natin na hindi ito magdikit sa kawali. Ayan guys. Mabilis ang luto lang to guys. Ayan. Kailangan talagang haluin mo siya guys. Ayan, para mahaluto yung ibang part ng pork. So, yun guys. Ayan. After nyan, ay ilagay natin yung mushroom. Ayan. And then, i-mix lang natin until gisa-gisa. Ayan. Sauteed. I-stir fry natin guys. At mag-add lang ako dito ng oyster sauce, sugar, little bit salt, at nor liquid. Ayan, konting-konti lang po guys. Alam niyo naman na ayaw nila ng may lasa. Ayan. I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up, like, share, and comment down below. Miss Ayusin mo here. Thanks for watching. And God bless everyone. See you to my next video. Bye. Ayan. Mix lang natin guys. Gisa-gisa. So that's it. Maglagay na tayo sa malinis na plate. At ilagay lang natin ng spring onion on top. So it's done. Ganun lang kasimple guys ang ulam na dinner today. Yan. Yummy, yummy, and healthy. Happy tummy. Miss Ayusin mo here. Thanks for watching and God bless. See ya. Bye-bye. Love you all. Mama. Masarap siya guys. Try nyo din. Masarap. Promise. Ayan. Malambot yung karne. Ayan. Basta wag lang overcook talaga kasi titigas. Pag na-overcook, titigas. Yan, titigas. Titigas, diba guys? Kaya sobrang mabilisan lang talaga. At talagang masarap. Bye-bye. See you to my next video.